Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 4, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to use single-digit sums to help support solutions that have around this that are kind of similar that will help you solve it and try to find patterns to help you. So looking at this one, the first one is 2 plus 8. Well, we know that 2 plus 8 is our 10 buddy. So we know that 2 plus 8 is 10. Then we're looking at this one, 12 plus 8. Well, look, there's 2 ones and 8 ones. We know that makes 10. And we also know that this little friend right here is in the tens place. We know that is also a 10. So we know that 10 plus 10 is 20. Now looking at 22 plus 8. 22 has 2 ones and 8 ones. We know that that also equals 10. But then look, this 22 has 2 tens. So 20 plus 10 equals 30. And look at this last one, 32 plus 8. Oh, I see 2 ones plus 8 ones, which we know from these other 3. And because we know 2 plus 8, we know that's 10. And then looking at this 32, we know that 32 has 3 tens, which is 30. 30 plus 10, we know is 40. So we know that our pattern going through all 4 of these is that they all have 2 ones and 8 ones, which helps you know that you're going to have that new 10, which lets you know that 2 plus 8 is 10, 12 plus 8 is 20, 22 plus 8 is 30, and 32 plus 8 is 40. All right, guys, that's it for this video.